Hello everybody, this is Renee Rutten, and in today's Canva training we're going to work with layering and moving objects around within a layer. So this first picture that we're starting out with just really has two layers. It has this picture that's a background layer, and then it has a text layer over the top. Now the background layer we can't move, only the layers that we add on top. And the second image, I've added the square, which is kind of turned on its side and pulled to the corner. And I've added this pink circle. So now we have the background layer, and then we also have three other layers. We have the text layer, we have the blue layer, and we have this circle, which is another layer. Okay, and then in this image, we have added an additional layer, which is this orange circle. Okay, so to show you how to move these things around from top to bottom without shifting where they land on the page, I've removed a square box because when I was testing this, that square box kind of made it a little bit difficult to see. So right now we have the success layer of text, and then we have the three circles. And we're going to click on the success layer, the text layer, so you can see that it's selected. We're going to do Command, Option, and left click, which sends it all the way back, as you can see, behind the pink, behind the yellow, and behind the blue. It's all the way back, except for the background layer, of course, which you can't put stuff underneath that. Okay, so now let's pick on the pink one, and we're going to go again, Option, Command, left click, and then we'll select the yellow, Option, Command, left click, and the blue, Option, Command, left click. So we've completely flipped them all around. And you can do the same thing. Let's put the letters all the way back, Option, Command, left click. Now it's clear in the back. Now you can also do one layer at a time. So let's select that, and then let's just go Command and right click. And as you can see, it put the letters in front of the blue. So Command and then the right bracket, it's in front of the yellow. Command and right bracket, it's in front of the pink. So if you just do Command right bracket, brings whatever you have selected forward. Command left bracket takes it back one layer. But if you do Option Command and then left click, it takes whatever you have selected clear to the back. And if you do Option Command right bracket, it brings the layer that you have selected clear to the front. So that gives you kind of a quick way of moving things around if you need to from top to bottom. Another shortcut for moving things around, and also this really helps you get something in a, in precision position if you want it to be very, very specific. So if you use your arrow keys, and right now I have the pink box is selected. So if I use the arrow key, I'm using the right arrow key right now, and I'm hitting it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. So I hit it 10 times, and each time it moved 1 pixel. So now to go back, I'm going to hit the Shift key, and I'm going to hit the left arrow key, and it goes back 10 pixels. So if you want to move something a further distance, you can use the Shift with your arrow key, and it'll go 10 pixels. Whereas if you select it and just use your arrow keys, you're only moving it 1 pixel at a time. 1 pixel at a time is amazing when you're trying to line up a line or something like that, and you're really close and you can just kind of nudge it in place. But when you have to move something a larger distance, that Shift and the arrow key works wonders. So I hope these little tricks were helpful. If they were, like the video, leave me comments so I know that you want me to continue, that you're still getting value from them. And I hope everybody has a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.